Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of an unexpected development in South Korea. But first, dairy prices edged up slightly again in this morning's latest full dairy auction, but that doesn't really tell the story of this event properly. With the local milk production season now past its peak, lesser volumes were on offer, and buyers seem to have already stocked up for Christmas and Chinese New Year. So it'll be no surprise to know that most commodities slipped in price today, apart from the 4.1% surge in whole milk powder. Almost alone, this twisted the overall index to a 1.2% rise in US dollar terms and a 1.6% rise in New Zealand dollar terms. In the US last week, there was something of a surge in retail sales, with the benchmark Red Book index rising 7.4% from the same week a year ago. Buying before Trump's tariff tax seems to be becoming a thing. Black Friday was in both weeks this year and last year. Also rising more than expected were job openings in the US. Their JOLTS report seemed to show that October data ends a longish easing in the rising of hiring. It also shows that employees are less afraid to quit to find another job. And more optimism is found in the Real Clear Markets TIPP survey for November. And the US logistics industry seems to be settling into a positive phase with another good expansion in November. And across the Pacific, we should note a rather stunning development in South Korea, our fourth largest trading partner. Martial law has been declared by their embattled president. It seems the anti-state forces he is battling are internal ones and labour unions. Even members of his own party are opposing the declaration. His move looks very uncertain at this time, and legislators have voted against the move. The South Korean currency, the won, fell hard, back near GFC and Asian financial crisis levels. And later today, the Aussies will release their third quarter GDP result, which is expected to show a minor 1.1% expansion from the same quarter a year ago. That will be the lowest since the pandemic. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.20% and up 2 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,650 an ounce and up $10 from this time yesterday. And oil prices are up $2 at $70 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is up $1.50 at $73.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at 58.8 US cents and unchanged from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, though, we're down 20 basis points at 90.8 Australian cents. Against the euro, we've dipped 10 basis points at 55.9 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 68.3 and down 10 basis points from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.